Okay, first day out in their new enclosure. We just had to let them out here because we just got it all fenced in, and don't have the tunnel done yet, but it'll be right there in the corner, and it'll go up to their little enclosure on the house, and that's how they'll get in here. So they're pretty excited. Anne was just running all around. Molly's checking out the rocks that will get warm in the sun if we ever get any sun. First thing Molly did when she came out was she went and rolled in the dirt, so she's all dusty. Molly! And she loves to eat the grass. She's like a little leopard kitten out here, Occicat. And they have this old bridge that went across our pond that it's like a tunnel underneath, so they can run through there, and they can go on top of it and run all around. And Jerry put this cool log configuration here for them to run run up and down. Hey, Miles.
Hey.
It's pretty neat. Would you get dust in your nose, Molly? You little dusty kitty. Where's Sonny? Is he in the tunnel?
Yeah, he's hiding.
Oh.
From Anne.
Anne hissed at him, so he... Oh, there he is.
There he is.
Sonny emerges from the tunnel. Sonny bunny! Sonny! Sonny! What'd you think of that, big guy?
Ooh. He's growling.
Is he?